Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am filming a video that I've been meaning to film for a very long time. I'm going to be going through some of my product empties. It was meant to be a product empties 2021 video, but it's now March, so sorry about that. But I've had this big bag of empty products sat on my shelf for ages now, and quite frankly, I need to get rid of them. I need to recycle them. I need to make space because I've got a big delivery of curly hair journals coming soon, and I don't know where I'm going to put them all. So getting rid of these is going to help me. So yeah, let's go ahead. So just like I did in my last product empties video, I'm going to split the product into categories. So I think I'm going to split it into shampoos and conditioners, styling products and treatments. And I'm also going to include some skincare bits as well because some of you found that helpful last time I did that. So on to the first product, shampoos and conditioners. So the first empty shampoo and conditioner is the Naughty Caretaker Scalp Soothing Shampoo. I really enjoyed this. I think I actually got through a couple of these last year. My boyfriend was also using this because he really liked it. It's not just for curly hair, it is a foaming shampoo, sulfate silicone free, as all the Naughty products are. And yeah, just a really lovely shampoo, and it's soothing to the scalp as well, as it says, scalp soothing. So if you have a troublesome scalp, like an irritable scalp, dry scalp, then this one may be for you. And next up is a conditioner from Naughty, which is the To The Rescue conditioner. You guys know that I love this line. I've also think I got through a To The Rescue shampoo. I think it's still in my bathroom. It might not be completely finished, but this definitely featured in my last product empties video because I really like these products. They're very affordable. I've been using them for years, since before I ever was gifted anything from Naughty or ever worked with them. So yeah, another great line. So if you are on a budget, then this may be a line to look at. It's really readily available in the UK as well. You can get it in Boots, Superdrug, Sainsbury's, and also if you buy it on their website, you can use my code HandsCurls20 for 20% off. And lastly in the shampoos and conditioners is the Curlsmith Wash and Scrub Detox Probiotic. I don't know what that is. I think it's, is that makeup? Yeah, it's makeup. Probably a bit of bronzer or something. This is from their scalp recipe line, and it's part of their 3-step system. It comes with a scalp primer, this scrub and a conditioner. I still got some of the primer and the conditioner left. It is a scrub, as it says, so it's really gonna cleanse your scalp, and if you use it as part of the 3-step system, then it's also going to protect your hair at the same time. I tend to just get through shampoo a lot quicker than I do conditioner. I know that it's the other way around for a lot of people, but honestly, you probably don't need to use as much conditioner as you think you do. The reason why there aren't that many shampoos and conditioners here, and probably not as many as there were in my last product empties video, is because I've been trying out so many shampoos and conditioners this year. I only wash my hair like twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. So there's just too much shampoo and conditioner for me to get through, so that's why there's not that many. I have been trying out quite a few different ones, as you'll have seen on my page. Any product that I feature on my page I do genuinely like, and yeah, I just want to reiterate that as well. So yeah, next up is a product that I have been absolutely loving, and that is the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. So this is a bond treatment. So in a similar fashion to Olaplex, it repairs the bonds in your hair. This one, unlike Olaplex, contains protein, but it's not a protein treatment, and there has been some confusion about that. So this is a bond treatment, so it's great if you have coloured hair, like so if you dye your hair, if your hair is damaged from heat, chemical straightening, anything like that. If your hair is damaged, then this is a good one for you. I personally like it because it does contain protein, so it does really help my hair bounce up. It's not like loads of protein as much as you get in like a protein treatment, but yeah, it gives a little boost. But I wouldn't buy it if you are looking for a protein treatment, because there are other options available that are actually proper protein treatments. But yeah, this is a really lovely product, and it smells amazing, so good. It also lasts a really long time considering the amount I actually use on my hair. A lot, I feel like a lot is packed into this little bottle. So yeah, another great one. And as well with the Curlsmith products, you can get 10% off their website, UK, US, EU with code HANDS10. So yeah, treat yourself. Next up is another Curlsmith product you will have seen me talking about all the time, and that is the Curlsmith Bouncy Strength Volume Foam. I absolutely love this foam. I just love it. I feel like I can't not use a foam on my hair now since I've been using this, and I like to pair it in between a cream and a gel, as you'll have seen me do. I feel like this is my second empty bottle. It contains protein, but it gives my hair like a nice added boost of protein. I'm not sure if I've mentioned on my channel, but my hair hasn't been needing as much protein as it previously did. I've actually been finding that my hair is responding really well to moisture and strong hold products and a little bit of protein, but I am still keeping up doing protein treatments. But like when it comes to like products that I leave in my hair, like styling products, I've not been needing a ton of protein. But I absolutely love this foam because it gives me a small boost of protein, it gives me volume, and it gives my hair a little bit of grit, so it helps hold my curls in place. You'll know, as I've said, my hair is naturally very soft, so using this helps add a little bit more texture, especially at the root area, so they're not so soft and shiny. Yeah, I really like this. It's a great foam, a really great foam. So next up is gel, and you guys know that I love gel. My hair loves gel, and I specifically like strong hold gels, and I think all of the ones that are in my product empties are strong hold, or if they're not super strong hold, then they're the higher end of medium hold. So let's start off with the Giovanni LA Hold Gel, previously called LA Naturals Gel. There's actually two of these in my product empties because I have just finished this one as well. This is just like my go-to gel. I've also this year found, because I used to use it with a different like leave-in conditioner, but I also started using the Giovanni Direct Leave-In and the Giovanni Air Turbocharged Mousse, and that is like a brilliant combo for my hair. It gives me a great balance of moisture and protein, but also gives me defined ringlets, volume, everything that I like. Yeah, so two of these in my product empties, and I purchased it from Look Fantastic. It's strong hold, it contains a tiny bit of protein, a little bit of soybean seed extract. It is a little bit drying on the hair, so if your hair is naturally very dry or coarse, then I probably wouldn't recommend it, or I would recommend using like a leave-in or curl cream underneath it. Next up is the Living Proof Curl Defining Gel. I really like this gel again. I think I actually got through a couple of these in 2021. I did some work with Living Proof, and their whole new curl line is really good. I think I featured the curl enhancer in my protein faves video. I wish it was a bigger container, like for the same amount of money. That's like my only like gripe with it, but it is a good gel, and I really like pairing this and the curl enhancer from the same line, which is lighter weight than the curl definer from the same line. So I use the curl enhancer, which is like best for like wavy hair and like fine hair that gets weighed down easily, and I like to pair those two with the Bounce Curl hairspray over the top for a little bit more hold, because it is, I would say this is like the higher end of medium hold, so it's almost strong hold, but it needs a little bit extra hold, and with the Bounce Curl hairspray, just chef's kiss. I've only got two left now, so next is the Curlsmith In Shower Style Fixer. I have been absolutely loving this gel this year, and there's a little bit left in it, but you know when you get to the end of the product, it's like every time you try and square it out, because you know that there's barely left in there. That is where I'm at with this one, and the next one as well actually. So yeah, I've been really loving this one. I didn't used to like this product. I could never get it to work for my hair until I realised that it works best for my hair paired with the Hold Me Softly Style Balm from Curlsmith, and also with the foam in between the two. It's protein free, it's very strong hold. If you use too much, it can make your hair feel a bit sticky, so be careful with that. Like most strong hold gels, it can be a little bit drying, so make sure to use a leave-in or curl cream underneath. And the combo that I've shown using it in on my page is the best combo for me that I've found. So yeah, another one that I really like. And lastly, this is the gel that I've been waiting for Curlsmith to bring out since I started using Curlsmith products, honestly, and it is the Shine Gel from their new fragrance-free line. I love this gel so much. I've got it on my hair now. I've got another video where I show how I use this on my channel. In my hair currently, I've got the Curlsmith protein cream, foam, and this gel. When I use the protein cream, I do tend to get like smaller ringlets, like rather than like the big juicy clumps that I get when I use the Hold Me Softly Style Balm. But yeah, still great results. It just depends sort of like what look you're going for, I suppose. I suppose with the like smaller ringlets, then I get sort of like more volume. It makes it look like I have more hair. So yeah, anyway, back onto this gel. I'm very nearly finished this one. I've been using it to death, honestly. Like, I've been using it so much. It gives me the most amazing definition and hold, paired with the Shine cream from the same line. It's just amazing for me. And again, for a boost of protein, because this is protein free and as it is the Shine cream, for a boost of protein, I've been using the foam in between the two, and it just is, it's perfect for, it's exactly what my hair needs. Like, lightweight protein these days, and strong hold and moisture on the ends. So yeah, that is all of the curly hair product empties that I've got. There are a few that I've got that are like nearing the end, but they can't really feature in a product empties video, can they? If you're not interested in skincare, then you are welcome to drop off now, but please make sure you hit the like button and feel free to leave a comment as well. Let me know if you've tried any of the empties that I just mentioned, and yeah, on to skincare. So I am turning 30 this year, I know. So I've been getting a bit more into skincare. So first up are some faves from Liz Earle. So we've got the Skin Tonic, which is a toner, the Cleanse and Polish, which is my ride or die cleanser, and the Skin Repair Gel Cream. I'm pretty sure I featured this in last year's product empties video, but I've been using this since I was like 19 years old, so a decade now. It's the only cleanser I will use for my skin. It removes makeup, it leaves my skin feeling really nice and clean, and it's very gentle and I love it. This is one of many that I had last year. I didn't just use one the entire year. One bottle this sort of size lasts me about 2 months, and I have actually been buying the bigger ones that are like 200 millilitres, and that lasts me a little bit longer. But I do find that I use more when I have the bigger bottles, because it's like a squeezy one, the bigger bottle, whereas this one, you kind of just use one pump and then like, whatever, I'm babbling. Great product. Okay, the Liz Earle Gel Cream, I like a moisturiser that kind of makes my skin feel hydrated the whole time, and I like it to add a little bit of texture to my skin, like shine to my skin, because I don't like it when my face is really matte, especially like at my age. I'm not even that old, I don't know why I said that. I just like my skin to look glowy, and I didn't find that this really made it feel that. It was nice though, it was nice nonetheless. I think they do like a more rich one, so maybe I'll get the like more rich one next time, and that will be better for me, who knows. And the tonic is just another Liz Earle product that I really like. It smells really nice, makes my skin feel refreshed. Toner is like a drink of water for the skin, at least that is what I read, so you should use a toner if you can. Cleanse, tone, moisturise, that's the basics, as I understand it. Okay, now on to some glossier products. So I have been absolutely loving Glossier over the last couple of years, and last year for Christmas, so Christmas 2020, I got a sample kit of their skincare, so that's where these are from, and I have repurchased a couple of these actually since. So let me start with the Jelly Cleanser. This product, I liked it, but I didn't love it. It just doesn't compare to the Liz Earle cleanser for me. I didn't find that it cleansed my mascara off as well as the Liz Earle one, but I know a lot of people do really like this. So it's just a personal preference, isn't it, with skincare. Next up is the Glossier Priming Moisturiser in Rich, and I really liked this one. This is the sample that I got again, and the only reason that I haven't repurchased it is because I have another moisturiser that I really like that is a little bit cheaper, so that's literally the only reason. But this one made my skin feel nice and smooth and velvety. Yeah, really liked this one. And next up is one of Glossier's serums. This is the Super Bounce, and this is a mini. I have repurchased this and I do like it. Basically, I'm experimenting with serums, so I don't know what I do and don't like, and what my skin does and doesn't like, so yeah. And lastly from Glossier is Future Dew. Now this is, I love this product so much. This is the first one that I ever tried, and it's an oil serum hybrid, and I use it after my moisturizer, before my makeup, but I actually mix it in with my foundation because I find it makes my foundation go further, and it also like adds a nice glow to my skin. So this is a sample that I got with the samples kit that I mentioned, but I also have this one that I repurchased that's almost finished. I love it so much. It's just like hydration for my skin. My skin feels so nice when I put this on. Like as soon as I put this on, I love it. It makes your skin so glowy. I really like it. And I've also got another one on my shelf ready because gotta be stocked up with this. This is a product that I will buy over and over again. I just love it so much. Next up is another holy grail skincare product for me, and it is the Weleda Skin Food Light. I love this moisturizer. This is what I meant when I said I liked the other moisturizer, but I had another one that I preferred. I get through a ton of these. I just really like it. I've got another one that's almost finished over there as well. You can use it on your face, hands, body, but I use it as a facial moisturizer, and I really, really like it. Again, it gives me like a glowy look. You have to leave it to set in a little bit before you put the Glossier on. But yeah, I really like it, and it just makes my skin feel so hydrated. And lastly are a couple of bits that I was gifted in 2021. First up is the LMS Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow Radiance Facial Toner. I really like this one. I know it says vinegar, but it's honestly nothing like vinegar on your skin. It feels really nice. What I really liked about this is that the lid pumps down like that. So if you're using like a facial, what do you call them, little pad thing, you pop it on, put it on there, on your skin. I liked that. I thought it was really innovative. Innovative? Yeah, I suppose it is. And lastly is another face cream that was gifted to me by Hair Dance. Now, you might have seen me mention the Hair Dance dry shampoo before. This is from the same brand. So it's restorative firming cream with hemp, and I really liked this actually, and I do think I did actually notice a difference when I started using this, so maybe I'll get another one of these actually, because I completely forgot about it because it was like right at the bottom of my product empties bag. So yeah, and that brings me to the end of my product empties 2021/early 2022 video. I really like doing these kind of videos because I think it gives you a real insight into what I'm using over and over and what I'm really, really loving. I'm very fortunate to be gifted a lot of products, so that means that I'm always trying new things, so I don't get to the bottom of products as quickly as I would if I was buying them all myself with my own money. Honestly, I wouldn't have this many products if that was the case. So please do not feel like you need to go out and buy all the products that I ever mention, that you need to have loads and loads of products. It's just not true. But that also means that the products that I do reach the end of, I do truly love. And that is in no way to say that the products I share in my videos I don't love. I do. All the products that I share, I really genuinely do use, and I really would recommend. It's just that when you have so many different products, there are going to be ones that you go back to. And yeah, I really hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments if you did enjoy the video, and if you like this kind of style of video. Have you tried any of the products that featured in my product empties? Are they also favourites of yours? Let me know. And as always, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.